So, where do YouTube football or soccer channels get their full match video clips from? Are there any websites that have 4K quality football highlights for the different European leagues? These are all questions mostly asked by creators starting out with football highlights videos on YouTube. So, if you have been wondering how some YouTubers keep uploading football highlight videos without getting any copyright claims, and where to get quality football highlight clips to create your own unique highlight videos, make sure to keep watching this video. Now, after posting this video on how to upload football highlight videos on YouTube without getting any copyright claims, one of the main questions asked by many was where to get quality football highlight videos to download. In this video, I'll quickly go through some of the important tips I shared in the first video, but I'll still recommend you to watch that video because I went in great details on how to upload football highlight videos on YouTube. After that, we'll look at some of the new ways of creating football highlight videos on YouTube without any copyright claims. And finally, where to get quality football highlight video clips to download and use for your own unique highlight video. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making videos without showing your face, make sure to check out the playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So, the biggest problem most creators just starting out face is how to edit their highlight videos so it can fall under the YouTube fair use guidelines. Now, you want to make sure to watch the first part of this video to understand why you have to make your videos fall under the YouTube fair use guidelines. I went in great details about all that in that video. You have to fully understand the guidelines and how to apply them if you want to start uploading football videos that can be monetized on YouTube. It's only by following those guidelines that you'll be able to transform the full match video clip into your own unique football highlight video. So, how do you transform a full football match video clip into a football highlight video without any copyright issues? To do that, you have to decide on one of the following types of football highlight channel videos. You can go with a football highlight commentary channel for a start. Here is an example of a commentary football highlight channel on YouTube where you, for example, and maybe some of your friends who are interested in football sit together and give your own opinions. You can now add short clips or images of the match you are talking about within your commentary highlight video. The second way most people transform their videos is by doing reaction videos where you are filming only those watching the match to see their reaction. This can also be a group of friends in a room or in a bar watching the football match together. The next way of making football highlight videos is by making a compilation of different matches. These types of videos are usually created along the YouTube fair use guidelines, which means there is no guarantee that the video will not get a copyright claim, but the videos are much more safe from copyright claims than the other types of football highlight videos that try to upload the full and complete match. Take this channel for example. This is a football highlight channel where the creator uploads videos on individual players. These types of football highlight videos easily beat the YouTube copyright system because they are considered fair use. And why is that? This video of Cristiano Ronaldo scoring in every minute of the game is a good example of a compilation highlight video. The compilation is made up of different matches in which Ronaldo scored in the very first minute of the match, and by the very fact that there are a combination of small portions of video clips that tells a story, the video will be considered fair use on YouTube. You can also make a compilation comparing two individual players, for example. You can easily niche this thing down to many different angles. I would personally recommend you to create these types of football compilation videos than creating a full match highlight videos. The only problem most creators face when creating this type of football compilation videos is where to get the full match video clips to use for their compilation. But you don't have to worry about that because I'll be showing you where to get that later in this video. But for now, let's look at the last type of football highlight video most creators like to create, which of course is the the one that usually gets them into problems with copyright claims. Of course, I'm talking about these types of football highlight videos of recent matches that shows the goals scored in the match, highlight moves that made the crowd go. These are the types of football highlight videos that get the most views but are almost impossible to upload on YouTube without receiving a copyright claim. Now, although there are some tips that can help you get past the copyright claims when creating these types of videos, there is no guarantee that later on the video will still not be slapped with a copyright claim. Which is why I personally don't recommend this type of football highlight videos, especially if you're just starting out. Instead, I will recommend you to try out the first 3 options we just talked about. However, if you insist on creating this type of full highlight matches, then here are some tips you might want to keep in mind when creating your videos. You want to first make sure that the video clip you're cutting out from the original full football match video clip is short. You want to make your highlight videos on just the goals scored or the bad tackles during the match or just the free kicks, for example. All that will help limit the portions of video clips you are taking out from the original full match video clip. You can later on mix it up with still images about the match or even the different reaction of people watching the specific goal scored or moves. One cool trick I see some creators do is they take the same football match video clip, say from a Russian broadcaster or an Arabic broadcaster, remove the audio commentary from the portion they want to use, and then strip the audio commentary from an English broadcaster and replace it with the Russian or Arabic audio. And that most often is enough to get the video bypass the copyright claims. Not always though, but more often than not. Now, another tip you might want to keep in mind is whenever you upload your football highlight videos on YouTube and you are not sure if the video will get any copyright claims, you want to schedule the video post just to give YouTube some time to do its copyright check. And if the video ends up having a copyright claim, YouTube will immediately let you know, and they will even show you the area or areas in your video that have been detected to have copyright. That's an opportunity now for you to go back to your video editor and correct or completely change the area so your video will be free of any copyright claims. And then after you complete editing the video, you can re-upload it again on YouTube, and you can keep doing that until you get the whole video copyrighted free, and that can take a while depending from where you got the original football match video. If you are using a copyrighted video, say from the official football club website, it will be much more difficult to get past the YouTube copyright claims than from an Arabic or Russian website that is not copyrighted. Which is why I've been busy scanning the web these past few months looking for sites that you can use to download 4K quality football highlight clips, as well as sites that will help you make your videos unique, hence being able to get past the YouTube copyright claims. Some of the sites you see here will require you to be a premium member before you can download the videos, and some of them will be completely free. The first link here is the Galataman HD Football website, which I also mentioned in the previous video. The Galataman HD Football website is just a blog that curates football matches that can be downloaded from Firefox and Mixload. Firefox and Mixload are all file hosting providers which offers online storage, remote backup capacities, and sophisticated upload and download tools, which simply means you have to be a premium member on any of these hosting platforms to be able to download the videos. There is also the soccercash.com website that also curates football match video files from the Streamlabs file hosting platform. Now, you'll easily find free full football matches to download on soccercash.com. To do that, scroll a little down to the latest football shows section here and click on more shows here on the left. Then you can start going through this list of categories to choose any of them you are interested in or want to use to create your highlight videos. After clicking through to any of the categories, you'll be taken to this video link page. On the video link page, depending on the match, you might be given up to 3 different types of video links that you can use to download the videos. WhoFoot.com here is another free site that you can use, but with this site you need a third-party tool like a screen recorder to record the matches before re-editing them and posting them on YouTube. The videos on this site are easy to get, but there are no additional feature to download the videos, which is why you have to screen record the whole match using tools like the one I'm using to record this video called Screencast-O-Matic. So there are many other platforms like this. All you have to do is a little research. I've already put together a few of them, including additional information that will help you easily create your own football highlight videos with ease. You'll find a link to download your own copy of this page in the description box below this video, so you can easily click to the different links with ease. Now, if you still have any questions on this topic, feel free to drop them in the comments area below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.